Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the coronavirus, and this is part 2. So, after you make a bunch of these, you're going to glue them together. Now, you can either just glue them together like that, or take on the challenge and glue them all together, or fold them all together. Now, if you don't know where my other video is, then how to make these, I'll show you how to make the coronavirus part. So, step 1, fold a piece of paper in half. Step 2, fold it in half the other way. Step 3, tear it apart then so you can make those smaller squares. Step 4, or whatever, I'm not going to do steps anymore. So it's okay if your tears are uneven like mine, because it just matters the way you fold them. So step 1, you fold them in half. Fold this up this way. Fold it up that way. And do that on all the sides. Now, what you're going to do, fold it in half diagonally like this. And like that. Now, you're going to turn it over and fold this up on here. And you're going to do the same right here. Okay, once you have that, you're going to take this point and bring it up to this point right here. And do the same for right here. And right here. Okay, now once you have that, you're going to fold this up and squash this right here, where the fold is made. Okay, now you're going to fold this down, fold this up, and then you're going to repeat that process on all of these, but you're not going to unfold it like that. Take this, and then when you're doing this, you are going to kind of squash fold that and do the same right here. And then you're going to fold, squash this up, and fold this down while there's a flap in here. And what you do with that flap, take this flap, and then you pull that flap out. And then what you're going to do is squash that flap. and you're gonna fold this here. So then it should look something, well, you can fold this back. It should look something like this. Now, I'm gonna quickly do well, you have to make 5 to get something that looks like this. But I'm gonna cut to it when I get them all done. Alright, once you have all 5 done, what you're gonna do is glue them together, or just put them together a normal way. So what you're gonna do is take one of these and put it sideways like this, and then right here there's a flap in here that you can stick this in. I'm gonna glue it first. Then you put it in the flap. Oops. And then you're gonna take this and fold this down. And to get it to look like this thing right here, what you're gonna do is take this flap and fold it up like that, like swivel, and then fold it down so it's like that. And then what you're gonna do is take this, open it up, and glue this in here. And then you're gonna take this and push it down. Okay, now that you have that, I take this where you glued and roll it like that. Okay, now it should look something like this. Now take all of these other ones. Well, you're not just gonna need 5. You're gonna need 10 of these. For 5, it's gonna make half. Okay, now you're gonna glue these other ones like this. Okay, so now that you have these two, well, there's also this one, what you're gonna do to glue them together or put them together, you're just gonna kind of put them together the same way. This time, you're gonna make it so this flap is pointing up and it goes through there, like that. So, I'm gonna glue that together for a sec. Okay, then you're going to take this, put it in, and fold this here, a little thing of glue, and trying to zoom in. Okay, so like that. Then you're gonna take this and fold this up and fold that up down. Okay, now that you have that, you're gonna make 8 more, actually not 8 more, you're only gonna make 3 more of these things. Not 3 more of the 2, just 3 of those. And then, once you make one, it should look something like that. And then you would glue it together the same way you glued this. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now that you have this, what you're going to do, the last part, it's kind of assembling the same. So, you're going to put some glue, not blue, on. You're going to put some glue right here, and then fold down. Okay, so now that you have that, you are gonna basically assemble, make a bunch and assemble them all together, and I'll show you how to assemble them. So, I already have 2 assembled, and this one that we just made, we're gonna assemble it like that. So basically, you just assemble it the same way. You take one, and then you get some glue, or whatever you're using. Okay, now you're gonna basically glue all of these in the same manner that you did for the other ones. Okay, then you're gonna take them and have it go the same way you just had it. So then you can take this and then glue it here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some glue here. And then cylinder right here. Hold on, let me just... Oh. And then that is how you assemble some of the pieces for the coronavirus and that I taught you how to make. So then you can make a bunch more and glue them all together. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.